Welcome to my channel. TP-Link RE230 Setup. Setup via TP-Link Tether app. Launch the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search TP-Link Tether, or simply scan the QR code to download and install the app. Launch the Tether app and log in with your TP-Link ID. Tap the icon on the upper right corner and select Range Extender. Follow app instructions to set up your extender. Optional: enable Join One Mesh to copy the router's wireless settings for seamless roaming. Setup via web browser. 1. For Windows users, unplug the Ethernet cable from your computer, if any, click the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar and connect to the extender's wireless network, TP-Link_extender. For Mac OS X users, unplug the Ethernet cable from your computer, click the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner of the screen, and connect to the extender's network, TP-Link_extender. 2. Launch a web browser. Enter http://tplinkrepeater.net or http://192.168.0.254 in the address bar, and then create a password to log in. 3. Select your host router's 2.4 GHz SSID, network name, enter its password, not the password you just created, for management, and click Next. 4. Select your host router's 5 GHz SSID, network name, enter its password, not the password you just created, for management, and click Next. 5. Confirm your host network password. 6. Either keep the default SIDs, network names, or customize them for the extended networks, and then click Next. 7. Follow web instructions to relocate your extender for optimal Wi-Fi coverage and performance, and then click Done. 8. Enjoy. Connect to the extended network and enjoy the internet. Thank you for watching.